Welcome to our channel UK Cars. Today, we're checking out the all-new 2025 BMW X4, a coupe-style SUV that blends sporty design, powerful performance, and premium tech. Let's break down its exterior, performance, interior, safety features, and pricing, so stay tuned. Exterior. The 2025 BMW X4 keeps its signature coupe SUV silhouette but gets a sharper, more aggressive look. The kidney grille is larger, now with an illuminated option. The slim LED headlights give it a futuristic touch, while the redesigned bumper and sporty air intakes add to its dynamic appeal. At the rear, sleek taillights, a sculpted tailgate, and dual exhaust tips enhance its sporty vibe. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 X4 offers a range of engine options, from a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder with 250 horsepower, to the M40i variant, which packs a 3.0L turbo inline-6 with 382 horsepower. If you crave ultimate power, the X4M Competition delivers a staggering 510 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. All models come with xDrive all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission for precise handling. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cabin with premium materials. The curved 14.9-inch infotainment screen, running BMW's iDrive 9 system, blends seamlessly with a 12.3-inch digital driver's display. Expect ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and luxurious leather or vegan-friendly upholstery. The rear seats are spacious for a coupe SUV, making it a comfortable yet sporty ride. Safety features. The 2025 BMW X4 is packed with advanced safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Higher trims offer semi-autonomous driving features, enhancing both safety and convenience. Pricing. The 2025 BMW X4 starts at around £50,000, $63,000 USD, with the M40i model closer to £60,000, $75,000 United States dollars. The high-performance X4M Competition sits at around £80,000, $100,000 USD, making it a luxury powerhouse. Outro. That's a wrap on the 2025 BMW X4. What do you think of this stylish SUV? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more auto content. See you in the next video.